Hi, my name is Daniel, and in this video today, I am going to talk about the process of coastal erosion. Before we ask ourselves what is coastal erosion, we could break it down and answer the question, what is erosion? Erosion is the process where earthen material such as sand, mud, clay, other materials on Earth is worn away by natural forces of Earth such as wind and water. Here are some facts about erosion. Once we understand and solve for what erosion is, we can now figure out what coastal erosion is. Coastal erosion is the process where a natural force, water, from the ocean comes to coastal lines and takes away sand and sediment, known as physical erosion, and moves them away into the ocean or far away into other parts of land across Earth. This takes away land from the coastal lines. Here is an example of coastal erosion. As we can see from this example, the word holiday is written across a coastal line or beach. However, coastal erosion causes this word on the beach or coastal line to disappear. Water from the ocean clears up the sand and moves it away. Here's another example of how water from the ocean or coastal erosion slowly affects rock formations. As we can see in this example, land in the geosphere is slowly being eroded by coastal erosion. This land turns into cave, and the cave turns into arc. Then the arc turns into a sea stack in the middle of the ocean. This is another example of how coastal erosion works. However, what is a real-world example of how coastal erosion impacts our society? As we can see, the Cape Hatteras Lighthouse plays a major example on how coastal erosion affects human settlement and society. On the year of 1870, in the Outer Banks, the Cape Hatteras Lighthouse was built and placed 457 meters away from the ocean because during that time, many people did not know about coastal erosion or erosion and its effects. This lighthouse helped steer ships away and warn the ships away from hitting the Outer Banks. However, when it was the year of 1970, 100 years later, the pounding wave or surf was only 37 meters away from the ocean. The Cape Hatteras Lighthouse was endangered and shocked many people. To save this structure, the Cape Hatteras Lighthouse was moved 884 meters back to the mainland to save it. This can show how human settlement is impacted, such as when houses are built on coastal lines. Eventually, the sand will slowly wear away and give away, and houses balancing or put on this sand will collapse into the ocean. This is why the Cape Hatteras Lighthouse plays a major example on why coastal erosion impacts human society and human settlement. hope in this presentation you learned a little bit more about erosion and coastal erosion and how it interacts with the different spheres of Earth. Thank you for watching this presentation. Bye.